Hey everyone, welcome back. Me and Mr. Math from the basement once again. Um, Back with another ST Math video. Um, what I'm doing today is fractions, division of fractions. I had a request to show multiplication and division of fractions. So I thought I'd look into what ST Math and how ST Math presents that concept. It looks like I'll probably have to take a pre-quiz or a formative assessment to start. So we'll do that together and we'll do the first activity. Now, in the formative assessment, I feel like I want to answer a few questions incorrectly. Um, just for the fun and so that I'll have some more puzzles to complete. Um, so let's give it a shot. Let's see. Remember, follow the gray. Click onto the gray cone. And there goes Gigi walking along. And there it is. That pencil and paper means we have an assessment to take. So let's do that. I'm going to move this over here. There I go. Get your scratch paper ready. No calculators, no sharing answers. So please, those at home, let's try to do these together and see how it goes, right? You do it on your own, pause the video, and for each question, solve it, see how you do. No matter what my answer is at the end, it will reveal all of the answers for us, okay? So here we go. Let's start off our formative assessment. So we have 6 divided by 1/3. Should I answer it correctly or incorrectly? I am going to answer it, let's see. This time I'm going to answer it correctly. So if you have 6 of something and you break each one into 1/3, how many parts is that? Or how many times can we take a third of something away? So if you have, let's always use pizza, right? Pizza, pizza, pizza. You have 6 pizzas. They're not cut. You cut all of those pizzas into thirds, right? 3 slices per pizza. How many slices are you going to have? 3 slices per pizza, and you've got 6. So that's what? 6. No, 6 pizzas. So here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18 slices. And I am sure. So we have the option here. Confidence level, I'm not sure, I'm sure. Okay. You know what? I'm going to give you the right answers, but I might choose the wrong answer. I'm going to choose the wrong answer here. So look at it. 5 divided by 3/5. 3/5. So how many times can you subtract 3/5 from 5? Or how many 3/5 are there in 5? All right. So discover your answer. Okay, I believe the answer is B, 25 thirds, but I'm going to answer incorrectly. I'm going to answer as A, 3/25. Okay. Oh, yeah, totally confident. Okay, 1/2 divided by 1/7. Okay, 1/2 divided by 1/7. Remember these problems, to solve them, the standard algorithm is to multiply by the reciprocal, right? So we would take 1/2. If we're dividing it by 7, that's the same as if we're dividing it by 1/7, dividing by 1/7 is the same as multiplying by 7. 7 is the reciprocal of 1/7. So multiplying by the reciprocal. I also showed you that way that I do this personally, where I take 1, multiply it by 7. That's our numerator. 2 multiplied by 1 is our denominator. All right, that crisscross special sauce. So the answer is 7/2. Okay, but let's answer it incorrectly. Let's say it's A. Okay, I'm sure. All right, here, looking at this, multiplying by the reciprocal, 4/5 divided by 2/3 is the same as or equivalent to 4/5 multiplied by 3/2, which would be 12 over 10. Okay, we could simplify that to 6 over 5 or 1 1/5, but it is here as 12/10. I am going to answer that correctly. 5 divided by 3 is 5/3, okay, or 2 and no, not 2, 1 1/3. No, 1 2/3. 5/3 is 1 2/3. Okay. 5 divided by 1/3. If you go back to the first problem where we had 6 and we divided it by 1/3, think of 6 pizzas. Each has 3 slices, right? Each was divided into thirds. Now we have 5 pizzas. Each has 3 slices. How many slices do you have? 15. So 1 2/3 is less than 1/3. 1 2/3 is less than 15. That's what I meant to say. There you go. All right. Which answer makes the equation true? All right. So let's think about this. 6, and then you're going to operate somehow. You're going to change that up. What are we going to do? We're going to either divide by 1/2, multiply by 1/2, divide by 1/3, or multiply by 1/3. I'm going to answer this one correctly. So the answer is B, multiplying by 1/2. No, it's not. It's dividing by 1/2. Okay. Remember, dividing by 1/2, right, is the same as multiplying by 2. And 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Okay. 6 times 1/2 is equal to 3. 6 divided by 1/3 is equal to 18. We've done that one already, right? And 6 times 1/3 is equal to 2. 1/3 of 6 is 2. So I am sure that this is correct. All right. So there we are. 2 and 3 were incorrect. And I hope looking back on that, those are the ones I decided I was going to be incorrect on. But let's move forward here. All right. So I guess I'm gonna click this penguin over here, and we'll go to our first puzzle. All right, here we go. All right, fractions, whole number and unit fraction division. All right, select peanuts. That's the name of the game here. So up Gigi goes, up into the sky. All right, so again, let me move my image here. Look at that. I'm going to shrink it too. Can I shrink it anymore? Nope. I'm going to move it over. Nope. Gigi's over there. We're good. All right. So how do I do this? I have no idea. I have 3 peanuts on the left over a single elephant. All right. So I'm looking at that as maybe a ratio, 3-to-1, fraction 3-to-1, 3 peanuts per elephant. And then on the right side, we have 2 elephants. So I am imagining that what I have to do is take this brush, and it just automatically did. I'm going to do 6. I don't know why. I feel like that is appropriate. 6. So let's see what happens. That's it. All right. Just 2-to-1. All right. 2 peanuts for every elephant. We have 2 elephants. It's got to be right. All right. Now, I like it. I'm interested to see what happens if I make a mistake. So 2 peanuts for every elephant here looks like the same thing. It should be 4. I'm going to overfeed an elephant, though. Here we go. Let's overfeed. See what happens. Oh, GG. 2 for an elephant. Here we only need... Oh, get that extra peanut. Uh-oh. Yeah, peanuts aren't part of a healthy diet for a penguin. All right, so here we go again. That is 4. Let's jam through this quickly and have you go on your way. That's 2. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so it's 4-to-1, right? 4-to-1. How many do we need for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It's 4 for every 1 elephant. How many do we need? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. How many do we have on each one here? What do we have? Is that all of them? Is that going to be all of the peanuts? We're going to need all the peanuts. Every last one of them to feed our herd of elephants. Is it called a herd? I don't know. Let's call it a herd. If you know, put it in the comments and teach me something, because I'm not sure what a group of elephants are. I'm going to call it a herd. All right. 3 to 1. So 3 for every elephant. We have 4 elephants. 3 times 4, 14. No, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. 3 for every elephant. Here we go. 3, 3, and 3, and 3, and 3. And that means they're going to each. Oh, yeah. Go, go, go. I'm liking this game. All right. 5 for this elephant. Hungry elephant. Hungry, hungry elephant. 5, 10, 15. Right there. That's it, right? We have 1 elephant. That elephant eats 2 peanuts. You have 2 elephants. They each eat 2 peanuts. You're going to need 6 peanuts. No, you're going to need 4 peanuts. Don't overfeed the elephants. One more. 3 to 1. 3, 2, 1. 3 to 1. 3, 6, 9. Wow. Simple. All right, well, that's it. I'm going to stop the video once we get up to the bridge or the ladder here. We'll stop here at 2. I'll come back and I'll make a video for each one of these. They should be a lot shorter, so we don't have to do the pre-quiz to start, or the pre-quiz or the formative assessment, whatever you want to call it. We won't have to do that to start. And I will be doing some whiteboard lessons and definitely bringing you some more things from around my house to take a look at. So until then,